Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to boost network strength and fix weak signal on Motorola Razr 60. So first, scroll from the top and enable the airplane mode, and after a couple of seconds disable it. That's for refreshing the network connection. Then also you can go into the Wi-Fi and try finding the better Wi-Fi. For example, as you can see, I have the same Wi-Fi's, but one is 2.4G and one is 5G. After that, you can try also moving to an area with better coverage and restarting your phone. In the mobile data, right here, make sure to disable the data saver. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.